This project work is made by a group of members Jogendra Kumar, Gary, Prince Bura, Prince Yoga Pratap, and Sunil. And I am going to start for project work. The topic is combination of cells. First of all, the introduction of combination of cells. Sometimes a higher voltage of operate for a longer duration is required. In such situation, the grouping the source of electricity in a particular way can solve the problem. The grouping of two or more cells is the combination of cells. For example, there is a combination of cells in a torchlight, radio, etc. A group of cells is called a battery. And the next one is the types of combination of cells. There are mainly two types of combination of cells. They are series combination of cells and parallel combination of cells. I am going to describe about the series combination of cells and its uses and characteristics. When we need a voltage higher than what a single cell provides, many cells are connected in the series. The grouping of cell in which the negative terminal of the first cell is connected to the positive terminal of the second cell is called, and so on is called series combination of cells. It is the diagram of the series combination of cells. It is the one cell in circuit when the one cell is added and the ball and next one is the two cells in circuit and another is three cells in circuit. The characteristics of series combination of cells are the voltage of cell is added in a series combination. Total voltage V1 voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. The current in the electric circuit increase in the number of cells. The uses of series combination of cell is used to increase the voltage of the ball. Series combination of cell is used to increase the voltage. It is used to increase the brightness of the ball. It is used to run torchlight and remote. Parallel combination of cell. The grouping of cell in which the positive terminal of all cells are connected to 1.2 negative terminals are called negative terminal are connected to the point is called
Another point.
Parallel combination of cells. This is the diagram of one cell in circuit, two cells in parallel and three cells in parallel. The characteristics of parallel combination of cell are the total voltage of the parallel combination is equal to the voltage of a cell. Total voltage is V equal to V1 equal to V2 equal to V3. The current in the electric circuit does not change with the change in the number of cells. Uses of parallel combination of cell are parallel combination of cell is used to get the constant brightness of the bulb. It is used to save the life of the battery.